Okay everyone, magluluto tayo ngayon ng oxtail. Yan yung ating oxtail. Yan. So, kailangan natin is potato. Yan, potato and carrots. Yan, and the mushroom. Bottom mushroom. Yan. So, first, gawin lang natin. Okay, so yung ating oxtail, ilagay lang natin siya sa pressure cooker. I-pressure cooker natin siya ng 1:45 minutes. Ayan. So, yung ating pressure cooker, nilagay lang natin siya dyan ng salt, bay leaf, ginger, and big onion. So, rock salt yung nilagay natin dyan na pangtimpla. So, later, kukunin lang natin yung excess natin na sauce dito para gawin nating sauce. I-add lang natin ng soy sauce and oyster sauce for the sauce later after 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay? So, let's wait until 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, everyone. Okay guys, after 2 hours, ito na yung ating oxtail. Tanggalin lang natin yung balat. Yan, malambot na siya. So, yung ating pressure cooker, nandyan na yun. Nilagay na yun natin yung ating potato and carrots. Ayan. So, habang binabalat natin yung oxtail, and then slice, ilalaga na natin dyan yung carrots and potato. So, slice na natin yung oxtail. So, kayo nang bahala kung ano kalaki yung inyong gustong i-cut sa inyong oxtail. Okay. And then, pagkatapos, ibalik lang natin siya sa pressure cooker na mayroon ng potato and carrots. Okay. Done, everyone. Okay, so ito yung nilalagay niya for the tasty, for the good taste of oxtail, guys. Yan yung nilalagay. Yan.